मत पूछो हाँ
No, I'll say something else. Wait.
अरे यार अच्छा ओके Hi guys, I'm Siddharthan Venkat. Okay, fine. Last, final.
Hi, I'm Hitari Monga,
I am Siddharthan Venkat Ramesh.
Hi, I'm Deeksha and I work as a
content writer, marketer.
senior content marketer.
Content writer at EduFund. I contribute.
I write all the content that comes on the website and the app.
Why is he laughing?
I basically work towards social media strategy, copywriting, and
I write push notifications, some posts, blogs.
I host live shows on Instagram, webinars, and that sort of thing.
App copies and whatever is required to support the app. Yeah.
I can binge watch a show in a day.
I'm yet to find or discover those.
Binge watching things, sleeping.
As a content writer, what inspires me? Money.
Guys.
The ability to create something new for an audience.
Introvert, 100%.
Introvert.
Introvert for sure, yes.
Dude, make sure you delete all of this, okay?